بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ما ودعك ربك وما قلى خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى.
Why those of you who've heard of Abdul Basit, Abdul Samad, I'm sure many of you have heard of the famous Egyptian Quran reciter, who I'm sure many of you will have the tapes or the cassettes at home. Abdul Basit was the most famous Egyptian Quran reciter in the world. It is narrated about him, his son narrates the story. His son says, when my father passed away, I saw my father in a dream. In this dream, when I saw my father, I asked him, where are you now? Are you going towards the gates of Jannah? He replied to me, my son, I am neither in Jannah nor am I in Jahannam. Where are you, my father? He said, the angels have said to me, they will not put me in Jahannam because I have read so much Quran. But they will not put me in Jannah because in all my reading of Quran, I still did not find the position of Ali ibn Abi Talib in his truest sense. He says, Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala Muhammad. He says, therefore my son, you have to go out and you must find the wilayah in the Quran for me to be allowed to enter the gates of Jannah. His son goes to the Hawza. He studies in the Hawza until eventually he joins the school of Al Muhammad.